Hello. Today we will be exploring eBook Central. Like all our databases, you must access eBook Central through the MSU Billings Library homepage. With eBook Central, you can browse, bookmark, and read over 85,000 fully online ebooks with credible content from authoritative and scholarly sources, including university presses and other top publishers. On the homepage, you can see the search bar here. Just below that, you can see Advanced Search as well as Browse Subjects, where you can look through all the disciplines available through eBook Central. However, before you begin, we recommend you go to the upper right-hand corner and clicking Sign In here. It will take you to the MSUB login page where you can use your NetID and password. By doing this, you will be able to access more tools in eBook Central. We will start by typing our research term into the search bar and hitting Enter. As you can see, we have over 61,000 results for our term football. You can sort your results by relevance, title, contributors, and more. You can also select Owned and Subscribed to by My Library, which will show you books that MSUB owns. We can narrow down the number of books that we see using our Refine Your Search tool on the left-hand side of the page. Let's go down to Subject here and select More. Here you can select any number of general subjects related to your search term. I am going to select Sports and Recreation / General and hit Apply. This narrows down our list significantly, but let's cut it down further. If we go to Years Published, we can select the date range of when materials were published. I want to look at recent materials, so I will select 2020 through 2024. We've now narrowed our list down to a much more manageable 62 books. Let's take a look at our second result. On the right-hand side of the page, you can see the book details, as well as a brief about the author. In the middle of the page, we can see the availability of the material, and here we can note that MSUB does have unlimited access to this title. You can also see the description and table of contents as well. If we click on one of the sections, it will open up that section of the book. From here, you have many options, including downloading, printing, or citing the book. Remember, always double-check any citations created through these tools. If you are logged into your account through MSUB, you will also have access to the highlight, note-taking, and bookmarking tools available through eBook Central. By highlighting a section of the book, or by creating a note, it will automatically save to your bookshelf for you to access later. You can also go to the top right-hand corner of the page and select the bookmark to add that page to your bookshelf as well. To view your bookshelf, you can go to the top of the page and select Bookshelf. There, it will show you all of the notes that you have made. We hope this brief introduction to eBook Central has been helpful. We encourage you to explore further and find what works for you. If you have questions, stop by the second floor of the library at the Ask Here desk. We are here to help.